Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for Monday. Okay, so this video is for 15th March 2021 only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with analysis and stocks for Tuesday 16th March again. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis because I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, so the first stock for the day is TC Energy. So the last traded price of TC Energy is 58.58, and if I zoom in, you can see that there was a support available at 57.9 level, and TC Energy took support and went up. Day before yesterday also, or on Thursday also, sorry, on Thursday also, it took support and went up again, and on Friday also, okay, it took support and went up. Okay, so it is clear to us that the stock is respecting the support. Okay, so that's a good sign. So what should be our strategy for the day or tomorrow? So the strategy is simple. The price that we need to look for is 58.9. Okay, so if we get the stock above 58.9 level, then it's a buy. Okay, but if there is a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes, just check how the stock behaves. If after 15-30 minutes you see that the stock is trading comfortably enough above 58.9 level, it's a buy call. Okay, oh sorry, it's a 58.6 level. I'm extremely sorry. And on the other hand, if you see that the stock is going down, okay, and going down, and if it hits this level, okay, if you see that the stock has hit the 57.9 level, then there is a support. Remember, there is a support at 57.85, around 57.9 level. Okay, so there is a high chance that stock will bounce from 57.9 level. So once the stock hits the 57.9 level, and if you see some price rejection from below or some good bullish candle, okay, so that's the confirmation that the stock will bounce from 57.9 level, and in that case you can go ahead and buy at 57.9, or you can also buy above 58.6 level. Okay, so this is the first stock. The next stock is TD, Toronto Dominion Bank. Overall it's a very good stock, I always say. Okay, so the strategy for TD is very simple. As the stock is in uptrend, overall uptrend, so we will only be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, the last traded price of TD is 58.65. So the price that we need to look for is 81.83. Okay, so the prices we will go for buy above 81.9 level. Okay, so if you get the stock above 81.9 level, okay, this level, it's a buy. Okay, and if the stock comes down and takes support at 81.10 level, and if you see that the stock is taking support and ready to bounce off from 81.1 level, you can grab the stock. Okay, you can buy. So two buy calls for TD at 81.1 if it takes support, and if it crosses the 81.9 level. And in case there's a gap up opening, wait for 15-30 minutes. Okay, wait for 15-30 minutes. Just see how the stock behave. If it trades normally and comfortably enough for 15-30 minutes, grab it. So the next stock is BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia. Okay, for BNS you can see that overall the trend is very nice, very good uptrend. Okay, so there is a support available for the stock at 78.6. Okay, therefore only buy call for BNS above 80. level. Okay, so buy call for BNS above 80. Okay, and in case you get the stock between this range 78.9 and 79.85 level, in between this range, then you should avoid. This is your no trading zone. Only buy above 80. And in case the stock comes down and takes support at 78.5 level, 78.5 level, okay, then you can grab the stock if you see that the stock is taking support. Otherwise, only buy call above 80 level for BNS. So the next stock is Bank of Montreal. Another beautiful stock with a beautiful uptrend. Okay, but we can see that on the daily chart there is a resistance. Okay, there is a resistance at 111 level. Okay, so and we can see that day before on Friday it could not break the resistance. On Thursday also it failed, and on Wednesday also it failed. Okay, so for 3 consecutive days it could not. So there is a chance that the stock, though it's an uptrend, okay, it may or may not break. In case you get the stock above this level, 111 level, okay, you can go for a buy. Okay, this level is very crucial for the stock. 111 triple one. This level is very crucial. In case you get the stock above triple one, buy. As I've already mentioned in the previous stocks that if there's a gap up open, wait for the stock for at least to trade for 15-30 minutes, then go for a buy. On the other hand, if there is a breakout during the session, then again wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only go for a buy. Okay, so only buy call above triple one. In case you get the stock below 109.6 level, 109.6 level, you may get some opportunity to short the stock, but as the overall trend is up, so it will be going against the trend. So if you are a beginner, I'll just say that you should not be looking for shorting the stock. Okay, only buy above triple one. So the next stock is RCIB Rogers. For Rogers, you can see that the last traded price is 59.55, and it has closed just below the resistance on the daily chart, and the resistance is available at this level 59.6. Okay, and it has closed at 59.5. So if you get the stock above 59.65 level, okay, it's a buy. If you get the stock just if you get the stock just above the resistance level, and if you just try to understand the market psychology, if you see that the stock is trading comfortably, okay, then just grab it. Okay, just wait for 15-30 minutes if there's a gap up opening. So these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on Monday and make some money. If you want to check the analysis and the power of analysis, okay, and how the trades are doing, then you can check the previous videos. Okay, they are doing just fine, people are making money and happy. Hopefully, you have liked the video and found the video informative. Then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Good luck, make some money, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.